Timer adjusts for a new T0 of 094736 Zulu.
Roger, that's in work.
And as you heard, the liftoff time has been adjusted to 1:47:36 a.m. Pacific. NASA's Launch Services Program, known as LSP, is based at Kennedy Space Center in Florida and is responsible for selecting the appropriate launch vehicle for a mission spacecraft. In this case, the United Launch Alliance Delta II for NOAA's JPSS-1.
As liftoff nears, teams oversee the launch vehicle's engineering and manufacturing and its integration with the spacecraft. LSP conducts the countdowns for NASA's scientific missions and provides additional quality assurance to ensure a successful mission.
For launches like NOAA's JPSS-1 that require a spacecraft to fly around the world in a north to south orbit, known as a polar orbit, LSP manages launches from here at Vandenberg Air Force Base in California.
With about 13 minutes and 30 seconds until liftoff, we'll go back to Tori for more information about this mission from NOAA and NASA.
Upper level winds have cooperated today. No major technical issues in work.
One. AC on 1. And LC.
Launch Director Tom Heater and Launch Conductor Scott Barney, working in tandem with NASA Launch Manager Omar Baez and his team as we count down toward the final minutes of this morning's liftoff of NOAA's JPSS-1 spacecraft. We'll be standing by for Launch Conductor Scott Barney to brief the launch team on procedures necessary to stop the count, should that be necessary between now and liftoff.
L minus 8 minutes. All communications switch to channel 1. All
PEA.
Go.
EEA.
Go.
VP.
Go.
SCM.
Go.
SYS.
Go.
FAC.
Go.
ATC3. Go. Timer.
Go.
HYE.
Go.
FMA.
Go.
SSC.
Go.
SSP.
Go.
GM1.
Go.
GM2.
Go.
BE.
Go.
ATC2.
Go.
VSE.
Go.
OSM.
Go.
FACA.
Go.
GE.
Go.
RC.
Clear, proceed.
NASA TM. NASA TM. Net 1. USO.
Go.
AC.
AC is go.
NASA TM.
STM is go.
Launch Director.
LC, you have permission to launch.
Proceeding with the count. Note of personnel switch to channel 15 after liftoff is confirmed for pad securing.
Launch Conductor Scott Barney has received a go from all stations to continue the countdown. We are scheduled to release this hold in just about 2 minutes and count down to an on-time liftoff of the ULA Delta II rocket and NOAA's JPSS-1 spacecraft. 1,
T minus 4 minutes.
T minus 4 minutes and
counting.
counting.
FAC.
After
Pad water
launch.
system enabled.
Enabled.
After launch, we'll hear the voice of United Launch Alliance's Patrick Moore providing a status of the flight of the Delta II and NOAA's JPSS-1.
First stage internal.
First stage
Second
of the
stage
Delta internal.
Internal.
FAC. Divert AC flows.
Roger.
Prop 1. Vent helium umbilical as follows.
Roger.
T minus 3 minutes, 20 seconds and counting. Everything remains go.
T minus 3 minutes.
Prop 1. Vehicle fuel tank press open.
Open.
Fuel umbilical purge open.
Open.
SSC. Armed vehicle ordnance systems.
Active. SNA's armed.
First stage armed.
Second stage armed. Armed.
FSC. Bat 1 heater control exit.
Exit.
Bat 2 heater control exit.
Exit.
T minus 2 minutes, 30 seconds and counting. NASA Launch Manager Omar Baez informed ULA Launch Director Tom Heater that NASA is go for launch. At liftoff, the Delta II RS-27A engine and 6 of the 9 solid rocket motors will ignite, generating more than 1 million pounds of thrust. The remaining 3 solid motors will ignite about 64 seconds after launch when the first 6 solids burn out.
Minus 2 minutes.
T-minus 2 minutes and counting.
Prop 1, pressurized vehicle launch tank.
Pressurizing.
FAC, establish pulse suppression water on.
Roger.
1 minute, 45 seconds away from launch.
One minute 30.
SSC, hydraulic external power on.
External.
HYE, check hydraulic pressure, go.
1 minute 20.
Topping to 100%.
One minute 10.
SSC, hydraulics internal.
Internal.
T-minus 1 minute.
Rock, report range status.
This is Rock, range is green. LC, T-minus 60-second limits on.
And the range operations controller reports that the range is green.
T-minus 45 seconds and counting.
LC, launch enable to flight.
Flight.
ATC 3, main power disable on.
On.
Minus 35.
Hydraulics are go.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Status check.
Go Delta.
Go JPSS.
Minus 20 seconds.
Launch conductor Scott Barney reports a green board. Everyone is go.
T-minus 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, engine start, 1. And liftoff of Delta II and NOAA's Joint Polar Satellite System 1, making the U.S. a more weather-ready nation.
The Delta II is proceeding on a flight azimuth of 196 degrees, just to the west of 180 degrees south.
Looking good. Also seeing a good symmetric burn across all 6 groundlet solids.
We're listening to the voice
20
of
seconds into
Patrick
flight.
Moore, ULA flight commentator. 33 seconds into flight, the Delta II rocket will reach Mach 1, breaking the
Now
speed
passing
of sound.
30 seconds. Chamber pressure on main engine and veneer engines continue to look good. Now passing Mach 1, Delta II is now supersonic.
At 49 seconds, Delta
And
II
continuing to
encounters
see a very symmetric burn across all 6 groundlet
maximum
solids.
aerodynamic pressure, or max Q. This is the point where the mechanical stress in the rocket
Now
reached
passing
its peak.
48 seconds, max Q, maximum dynamic pressure.
The 6 groundlet solid rocket